Hi guys, welcome to the homestead. So I've been working on a little project and I just wanted to bring you guys along and show you what I've been doing. It's not going to be a very long video tonight because it's just a kind of a fun little, hey, this is what I'm doing tonight. But I just thought that you guys might enjoy seeing this and it might give you some ideas for how to plan your garden. So here's what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys can see that real well or not, but I got some graphing paper and I laid out where all of the beds currently are, which are these. Those are the ones that we filled this weekend. These here, I have those built and they're going to get filled this coming weekend. And these here are the ones that I plan to build and have them ready before I have to put anything in them. So those really, I need to get on those. So I was trying to figure out what I was going to put in everything, and I kept writing stuff down and changing my mind. And oh, and this right here, this is going to be our trellis for our climbing plants. So the problem that I'm having, you guys, is that I have blank spaces and I don't know what to put in my blank spaces. They are just empty. And as you can see here, I've got some flowers over here. I've got some annuals here and some perennials here, and then some tender perennials here, which I may dig up and bring inside. And then I've got all my vining plants here where they're going to have lots of extra room to grow. And I've got tomatoes here, and those are going to be staked so that they can grow nice and tall. And but I don't know what to put. I got a whole bed here and a half a bed here and a half a bed here, which maybe I'll put some more flowers in here. So that one's probably full. But I don't know what to put next to my cucumbers, and I don't know what to put in this whole 10-foot bed. But I just thought this was a lot of fun because I can pick them up and move them and put them around and organize and figure out really where I want everything to go. My daughter said that we needed to do this on a bigger board and put some Velcro on the back of them, and then I could, stick them up there and I could reuse it every year, and that would help also with, crop rotation. So that's a great idea. We might have to do that one of these days. But I just don't know what to put in those two beds. I'm going to have to do some research and figure out what all I've got that I can put in those beds. Maybe I can put some peppers in this bed. I was going to do peppers in containers on my back deck because it gets really nice and warm. And my back deck, or peppers, really like warm soil. So I thought that would be a good combination. And I'm going to do some bush beans also in containers on my back deck. So I'm really not sure. Maybe I will put peppers out here also in case they don't do well in the containers. But I'm going to have like a half a bed here, and I don't know what to put there. Maybe I don't know, maybe I'll expand and maybe get lots of cucumbers this year, or I don't know, maybe I should do another thing of tomatoes, or I'm just not sure, guys. So I guess we're going to have to do a little research and figure out what we're going to put there. So anyways, there was my little fun idea. I've been playing around with this tonight, and if you enjoyed this, please like it, give us a comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time.